My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, marketing lessons from a stove? Clock is ticking. Alright, so there's a powerful story that I'd like to share with you. One that you may have heard before, but I'd like you to re-listen and see if you can take the lesson away and apply it to your business. Now, the story is as follows. There's a man who's sitting out front of his stove and he's absolutely freezing, and he's cursing at it for not giving him any heat. But the stove doesn't have any wood, and so the stove's saying, look, give me some wood and then I'll give you some heat. But the man is freaking out and getting angry at the stove. And haven't we all been there in some way, shape, or form? Getting mad at the effect without the proper cause. And really, that's what it's all about. There's nothing in the universe and nothing in your marketing where you're going to get the effect without putting in the proper cause. You're not going to get more clients before you deliver value. You're not going to get more calls before you create that content. You're not going to get more profit before you run those ads. And you're not going to build the business you want without the proper strategy in place beforehand. You've got to put in the effort if you want the rewards, and yet so often this is forgotten. People waiting until everything is just right before they put in the effort, or expecting the returns from the market before they go out there and invest in their marketing, which is perhaps the greatest excuse I ever hear. I'll wait till my business is profitable and then I'll start marketing. Well, truth be told, it's too late then. You need to market now, you need to market when the times are good, and you need to keep doing your marketing throughout all of the ups and downs in your business. If you want the output, you've got to put in the input.